Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's class is going to be very interesting. As you can see on the whiteboard, I am going to derive the algebraic identities, that is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Alright, so this is the formula which is algebraic identity, which is very important identity. Basically it is this formula is started from class 8 onwards, and this is a very important formula. But normally in the classrooms, being a teacher, we are not going to derive this formula because we have a syllabus. We have to complete the syllabus within a short time. We have to complete the syllabus. So time is not permit us to derive this type of formula. So today I got an opportunity to derive this formula with the help of the Facebook platform, and I hope it will be going to be a very benefit for the students. So without any further delay, we'll start to derive this formula. This formula, see here, this is my left hand side a plus b whole cube, and this is my right hand side. So I'll start from left hand side, right? Left hand side. Left hand side is given a plus b whole cube. So this one we can write a plus b whole square into a plus b. Alright, if you multiply, you will get same thing, a plus b whole cube. Now, as we know that the formula of a plus b whole square we have derived in my previous class. You can see, those who are new in my channel, you can see my previous video. You will get the derivations of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square means a square plus twice ab plus b square. This is the derivations of a plus b whole square. Again, it is multiplied by a plus b. Alright. Now I am going to apply the distribution property, that is a square, this one multiplied by this, a plus b plus twice ab. Again, this was multiplied by a plus b. And the third term, that is b square multiplied by a plus b. This is called distribution property. Here I'll multiply a square with a, I'll get a cube. Then a square b. Here 2a into a square b plus 2a b square. Here a b square plus b square into b, that is b cube. Now a cube, this is the term a cube. Now a square b, these are the like terms, so we can add up 2 plus 1, that is 3a square b, and these are this like term a b square, so we can add up. So 2 plus 1, that is 3a b square, and the last term is b cube. And this is nothing by my right hand side. So right hand side. Therefore, a plus b whole cube means a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Hence proved. So now I hope it's clear to everyone. So I would like to thankful to the Facebook platform for giving me this opportunity to derive the formula that will be going to be really helpful for the students. So thank you for watching.